As a barber that charges $100 for a haircut, my professionalism always comes before my ego. So this client came in today, he wanted me to shave off his beard completely and leave the goatee. And I'll be real, I told him straight up, I'm like, bro, you actually have a really good foundation. Let's build on that. But he was set on just shaving it off. So instead of fighting him, I listened. He explained that he's a chef and having a long beard just isn't practical. Hair and food, maintenance, work environment, it just made so much sense why he wanted to shave it off. And on top of that, I noticed his skin was really dry, so I knew this needed to be done the right way. We did a full treatment, right? Shaved the beard down fully, focused on skincare, and paired it with the mid-taper fade while keeping the curls on top. And honestly, this is one of those rare moments where I actually sat back and looked at it, and this looked better without the beard. He told me that most barbers just brush him in and out for the $40 and no conversation, nobody cared, just speed, in and out. This is why professionalism matters more than you think. And if you're tired of brush services and want a haircut that actually fits your lifestyle, hit that follow button and book with intention.